Oh, how much he treasures his Henry Bendels. Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? I'm in a little bit of a different setup. I'm not quite yet in my new YouTube studio office, but I wanted to go ahead and try and film a video and see how it comes out. I'm needing to learn all the stuff again of where I need to look and all this kind of stuff. But I am starting a new series. I'm not quite sure when this is going to go up. I am filming this in the end of May, like May 22nd. I purchased a bag from Saya, Frozen Luxury. Yay, Saya, cue the confetti. Hopefully I have confetti. So Saya had posted a personal bag that he had that was a Henry Bendel. And I have already purchased, maybe not, some other Henry Bendel items, and I just had not, had time, and I wanted to have at least one more special bag to kind of start that series and filming that series and getting that going. So here is a special bag. So I don't know if this will be the first video you watch or if this will be the last video you watch. We'll have to find out together. Okay, so this is how Saya packed it, and I opened it upside down because I didn't want y'all to see, the address and stuff. But the way that I'm set up here, you can't see it anyway because I don't have everything ready in the room yet. So I have a table, but it's not in a position where I can open anything on it. There will be a video coming, so you may have seen it already, you may not have seen it yet. It has not been filmed, just parts of it has been filmed of my new YouTube studio. He said, oh yes, he sent me a note. Dee Dee, my love, use in the best of health, enjoy and have a very gay day, Saya. He's so sweet. Saya, love you, dear. He sent some laundry stuff because if he's not there, the whole laundry world will fall apart. We know that already. I don't think at this point, I don't think he's had a day off in like 15 days. But he sent me this, and I'm gonna have to learn how to use this. Let's see, does it have instructions on here? Let's see. It does. Put 1 tablespoon of the laundry flakes directly into the drum of your HE washing machine, and 1.5 in all others. We also love the tiniest of pinches for hand washing. Okay, cool. So I think ours is a HE, so I'll be able to use that. Here's a brush that he talks about. These are great for taking out stains. And here is a soap with, I don't know, it doesn't have anything on here, so I'll have to get with him to find out exactly what all this does. Me and laundry, no bueno. No bueno. I just throw it all in together and cold water, that's it. If it comes out, yeah. That's why I buy the clothes that I buy, because that's gonna be it. Oh my goodness, look, he packaged it so pretty. You're so pretty. Thank you, Saya. Let me see. I'm excited about this because this is from his personal collection. And I know he's trying to move some stuff off so that he can bring some stuff in. And I know how much he treasures. Oh, how much he treasures his Henry Bendels. Oh, I forgot how gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I am really into exotics right now. I have some authentic exotics and I have some embossed exotics. So it's a clutch and it's like a walk clutch. Oh my God, look, let me just show you around it first. Here's the front, here's the side view, here's the back view, and it has a pocket here. Here's this side view, here is the bottom, here is the top. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. It is so much more gorgeous. Look at the light. Look how much it carries the light. Oh, wow. I don't believe this is a true exotic because I got the friends and family discount. And so, but knowing Saya, you know, who knows? I think this is embossed, but I don't know. Saya, I'm going to have to find, I tell you what, before I put this film out, I am going to get with him, find out exactly some details, and I'll put it here on the screen for y'all. So here it is. You open it up this way, and it does have this gorgeous chain. Look at the chain. Even the chain, it's just like the sparkling. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh wow, wow, wow. But this is like what is gunmetal, right? Gunmetal, I think, is what that is. Oh wow, wow, wow. So here is the inside. It has so it's like it's a wallet on chain, and it has, let's see, one, let me count and I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4 on either side. So there's 8 card slots there. There's a back pocket here. This is also a pocket here. Has a pocket right there. Then it has another pocket here. And then on the front of this, yeah, there's nothing here in the pocket, but then in the front, there's also another compartment. So I know some people don't really like a lot of compartments and things like that, but I like them. I like to have organization when it's something small like this, you know, because you carry little stuff, because this is definitely, well, I mean, I could wear it every day. I could wear it every day, but you know, this is made for special occasions and things like that, so that you can just put your essentials in it and, you know, travel small and slim viewing items, you know, card cases and things. And you won't need any card cases because you have all those slots. I probably would still have a card case because that's how I am. I have too many cards. But this is just absolutely gorgeous. He let it go for a steal. I mean, really, he let it go for shipping. You know, he was just so generous with it once he found out. And look at this. Once he found out, sorry, let me finish the thought process. Once he found out that I was interested in it. But look, because see, I was looking here, how the variations of the small to the large to the small. And if I was a betting woman, I would say that this is a crocodile. At first I thought it was snake. I mean, I guess it could be a snake, a big python snake. I don't know, I'm just silly. But here, right here, it says Henry Bendel right here. And Henry Bendel is out of business. They closed down, so they're not making any more. So if you find a Henry Bendel, that's it. There's no more. They're not making any more. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, Saya, you are so wonderful for allowing me to have this for a steal. What do they say? For a song and a dance? You definitely, I owe you a song and dance. Saya, Saya, thank you so much, Saya. I love you, I love you, I love you, Saya. That's the horrible song and dance you're getting from me, but thank you so much. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I can't stop looking at it. Just look at that. And this chain, I just admire chain. This chain is substantial, but it is not heavy. And that's one of the things that I find that when I get small items like this, like the small clutch kind of wallets and things like this, is that, so a lot of times the bags are light, but then they put a chain substantial, but then they put a chain that it's like so heavy that it weighs the whole thing down, and then I'm limited to wear it. But with this, very, very substantial chain, but lightweight as well too. So perfect. Gorgeous. Saya, thank you so much. This is gorgeous. I'm so honored to have this in my collection, and I think this is going to be my hurrah. Yes, this will be my what is it called? It will be my finale. Yes, my finale video for this. gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I can't stop looking at it. So I will get more information from Saya as far as exactly about this bag, and I will have this in here for y'all. I'll put something in here for y'all.
And that's when I said, I love GD Bean. Oh, aloha. It's Saya from Frozen Luxury. Aloha GD Bean and Bean Beauties and the Bean Beauty Replay crew. I want to thank you for watching GD Bean. Now today she's got a special unboxing of a Henry Bendel A-list wallet on a chain made with Napa leather, embossed with exotic skin. Ooh, very nice. Embossed to look like exotic skin. Henry Bendel was one of the first people to ever sell Chanel in the United States, have Andy Warhol as an in-house illustrator, and designed the Shop and Shop program that we all know in different stores. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Aloha.
Wow, I can't stop staring at it. It is just grabbing the light, so gorgeous. I think y'all are gonna get a great view of it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. Not a flaw on it. I knew. He asked me. He said, "Do you want to see pictures?" And I said, "No, I trust you." I knew he'd take care of his. He would take care of them. And he's like, "No, let me show you." I said, "No, that's okay." But he showed them to me anyway. He sent me pictures of everything. I love it. Thank you, Saya. Thank y'all so much, Bean Beauties, for coming by and visiting with me. Thank you for bearing with me as far as the transition is going for my new YouTube studio. Currently, right now, I am having LV month. So I'm showcasing LVs here. I just came off of denim month a couple of months ago. Now I have Louis Vuitton month. So this will be coming out when I have Henry Bendel month. I love to dedicate something to a brand or to a fabric or to a collection. That's just how I am. It's just how I am. It's just how I roll. All right, Bean Beauties, love y'all so much. Bye-bye.